Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to open menu on full screen in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin and we are going to open menu full screen overlay menu. Now go to dashboard. So first we are going to create pop-up. On left side you see templates and then you see pop-up, so click on it. So we are going to create pop-up and then you see add new template, so click on it and then you see pop-up, choose template type pop-up, so you can add template name. So we added template name and then click on create template, so click on it. So we are going to open menu on full screen for both desktop and mobile layout and then you see pop-up library. Now close. So we are going to create pop-up from start and then you see pop-up. On top you see pop-up settings, so click on it and then in setting you see layout, width, desktop and then you see pixel. So we are going to open menu on full screen. Now you see pixel, now select and then you see EM, REM, now select EM and then make it full. Now you see and then you see height, fit to content, now select fit to screen. So we are going to display menu on full screen overlay menu and then you see content position top. So you can select center, bottom. So it's up to you like this. Now you see center. Now select top again. So you can do this setting later also when you add menu. And then you see horizontal position for desktop, center, vertical, center. Now you see. Also you see desktop icon. So you can do setting for mobile layout. If you want to change setting for mobile, then you can do setting for mobile layout. And then you see overlay, show, close button. Now you see close button here. And then you see interest animation. So you can select fade in out. You see multiple. So you can select according to requirement. So we select fade in. And then you see exist animation. Again we select fade out. Now you see animation duration. So you can set second according to requirement. So we set 0.5 second. So you can do this setting according to requirement. And then you see general setting. So click on it. Now you see full menu title, status, draft, preview setting. On top you see style. So click on it. Now select classic. If you want you can add background color like this. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see. So we set this background color. So if you want, you can set opacity if you want to see your website background little bit or transparent. Now you see your background, website background when we reduce opacity. Now you see. So you can set opacity according to requirement. You see menu also, but you see your background website also like you see on screen. So you can set opacity according to requirement. And then if you want you can add image, border type, border radius and then you see box shadow already added. Now you see and then you see overlay, so click on it. So we don't need overlay because we are using full screen menu. And then you see close button. Now you see position inside, vertical position, horizontal position. So you can make changes according to requirement. And then you see color. Now make it white. Now you see and then you see size. So you can increase cross sign. Now you see on screen. So you can do setting according to requirement. If you want you can add hover color scheme, so it's up to you. And then on top you see advanced, so click on it. And then in advanced you see show close button after a second. So you can set timing. And then you see auto close after. So we don't need this. And then you see prevent closing on overlay, disable. So we only want to close when click on close button. Prevent closing on escape key, enable. So we only want to close menu on close button when we press this. And if you want you can disable page scrolling, so it's up to you. And then you see multiple option, margin padding. So we are going to add some padding on top if you want. So your menu display little bit bottom position from top. Now you see padding. First uncheck link value together and then on top you add 60% padding like this, so it's up to you. And then you see custom CSS. If you want to add some styling you can do it here. And after that we are going to add menu and then you see plus icon, so click on it. And then you see flex box, so again click on it. So you can add structure, now click on it. So we are going to add single column. Now close this, delete. Now click on it and now make it width 100%. Now you see. Again click on plus icon and then in search widget write menu and then you see WordPress menu. So drag and drop here and then you see menu name menu. So you can select menu according to requirement. So we select handmade main menu. Now you see menu display and then you see layout horizontal. Now select vertical. Now you see menu in vertical position and then you see alignment. Now make it center. Now you see and then you see pointer, underline, animation, sub menu indicator and then you see mobile drop down. So this is important. So we are going to display open menu on full screen for both desktop, mobile and tablet layout. So breakpoint none. So we select none. On top you see style, so click on it. So you can set color scheme for menu according to requirement. Now select white. Now you see. So you can add horizontal padding, vertical padding, space between menu, hover color scheme, active color scheme. It's up to you. And then you see typography. So you can set font family, weight, transform style according to requirement. So it's up to you. And then you see drop down. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then click on publish. And then you see condition, trigger, advanced rule. So we don't set any condition. And then click on save and close. So after that, we are going to link this pop-up to our button in Elementor header menu. Now you see your pop-up is live. Now go to Elementor header. So we are in Elementor header. Now you see. So this is button widget we are using. So you can delete your menu and then you can add button widget. Now you see we add it. So click on it. Now you see edit button widget. You see type default text. We don't add any text, link, icon. So we add icon library. So click on it. So we add bar icon. Now close. Now you see link. You see style. So we are going to link this button to pop up. Now you see dynamic tag. So click on it. And then you see multiple option. You see action pop up. Now select pop up. Now pop up edit. Again click on it. Now you see setting and then you see pop up all. Now select and then add your pop up name. Full menu. Now searching and then you see full menu template. Now select. So we link this button to our pop-up. We created full menu overlay menu and then on top you see style. So click on it. So we set text color white. So you can do setting for button according to requirement. Now you see typography. So we increase button size 29 pixel. So you can set our color scheme. Now red. So it's up to you. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now click on menu. When we hover on it, you see color scheme. So click on it. Now you see menu open. So this is our full screen menu. So you can do color scheme for menu according to requirement. Now you see. Now close. So we add fade in, fade out effect. So you can add slide in out, slide out effect animation for interest animation according to requirement. Again click on it. Now you see full screen. Also we set opacity on background color. You see some background website. So this is our menu. Now you see. Now close again. And then we are going to activate mobile. Now right click on it. And then you see mobile simulator. Activate mobile view on this page. So click on it. So we are in mobile layout. Again click on menu. So click on it. Now you see fade in, fade out. You see mobile menu, full screen, overlay menu. Now you see mobile menu on mobile layout. Now close. Fade out effect. Again open. So this is fade in effect for mobile layout. So we display or open our Elementor menu on full screen on desktop, tablet and mobile layout using pop-up in Elementor Pro WordPress. So you can create pop-up first and then you can add styling and after that you can link your pop-up to button widget in your Elementor header and then click on publish. So after that your menu open on full screen in desktop, mobile and tablet layout in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.